Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. As already indicated in the last video, we should not get too bullish too early. There was a lot of bullish talk yesterday already on crypto Twitter, on YouTube, because we saw a bit of a rally, 1 to 2% upside on Bitcoin, Ethereum charts. I didn't want to get too bullish. I highlighted, we could be already on the way up, but without proof, I don't believe it. And I just want to indicate how important it is to sometimes just wait for confirmation. At the moment, this move down looks as if the fifth wave down is now unfolding for Ethereum. So I counted the move up as a fourth wave pullback. It could also be that this B wave was still unfolding, but I'll just leave it like that for now. At the moment, my view is unchanged, that because we did only get 3 waves up, I explained that in the previous video, we are still looking at another low, ideally in the 1780 area. We needed to see one more high to be able to consider that a lasting low was in place. But because we didn't get that one more high, our plan just is unchanged, okay? So we just carry on with our plan that one more low is likely on the Ethereum chart. The minimum expectation here for this one more low, that one more low is expected. The price expectation for one more low is for price to get at least below 1817. That is the swing low that was made on Tuesday. Small double bottom here potentially, but the idea is to go below that level and then to reach ideally 1780. Certainly below 1817, but the ideal target would be 1780. I already highlighted earlier today on Telegram and Discord that we saw a small tiny 5-wave move to the downside here. On the micro level, this was a small 5-wave move, so it indicated bearishness and therefore absolutely no change. I also gave you a level in the previous video that Ethereum needed to hold to still be able to give us an impulse to the upside. It didn't do that, okay? It didn't hold. I think it was 1850. That level broke. That was the 50% retracement level of yesterday's low to the high, 1849, 1850, clearly broken, and therefore no need to change our scenario. A lasting low could still be in, but the only way that Ethereum could still rally from here would be in a diagonal structure, but a diagonal, first of all, is not a reliable structure. And also, secondly, Ethereum hasn't given us any indication that any kind of low is in place here. So from that point of view, I still expect lower until Ethereum proves something different. You know that we need to be aware that this current structure is very choppy. Frequent wave count changes can occur because we are dealing with a so-called ending diagonal structure here in a C wave. To explain that's more something really for Elliott wave nerds like myself, Elliott wave enthusiasts who are very keen to know about the academic side of Elliott wave as well. What you need to know only, I think, as sort of someone who's consuming these videos, is that diagonal structures, they are very choppy because they are built from unreliable corrective wave structures. And because we are dealing with a diagonal here, we have to expect frequent changes. Now, because we are dealing with the diagonal structure in the C wave here, we also have to expect that the wave 5 is unfolding as a 3-wave move, like the third wave did unfold as a 3-wave move, okay? So it would be an ABC structure. As soon as I have a confirmed low in place for the A wave, and that might be around the 1830 level again, we are maybe a little lower, maybe here 1817, then we could get a B wave up, which would be another corrective rally, maybe another touch of the trend line, and then a C wave down. So at the moment, absolutely no change to the wave count. I still assume that the yellow support area is going to be the jump off point for a third wave rally. And my strategy continues to be I will scale in lower. As we go lower, I will add to my position slowly and steadily while keeping plenty of cash aside for a confirmed trend reversal to then more aggressively scale up the trade with a tight stop loss. At the moment, I leave it quite loose. And I only add a certain percentage of the position I want to get here to the trade while we go down lower. Risk management wise, only a certain percentage. And again, if we then have a first 5-wave move up and 3-wave pullback, then I have a clear stop loss point and can add more aggressively to the trade. That's my view about Ethereum. No change. Hope you liked the update. If you did, then please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. I had a lot of questions, especially if the volatility increases a little bit, can you provide an update here and there? If you are interested in more frequent updates, written updates, written signals, check out our gold membership. Plenty of updates during the day between videos, setups, targets, stuff like that. If something changes, if certain setups fail, all these updates come on Telegram and Discord, because I can't always do a video. But this is exactly for the people who like to be up to date all the time. That's my update. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.